welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm going to share with you how to create this natural looking makeup that does not involve with a lot of products and also could be called a no makeup because it's very minimal to where people did not acknowledge that you're wearing makeup. So let's get started. It's important to prep your skin that is going to be helping throughout this process because the base is the most important thing. So step one, we are going to use toner that is going to help with brightening and balance your skin and also work to refine line and minimize the appearance of dry fine lines, wrinkle and uneven skin tone, revealing more radiance and useful looking complexions. So after toner, I'm going to use a essence. This is from Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Essence. The purpose of this to hydrate, and what I really enjoy about this product is organic. So if you have a sensitive skin, you can definitely use this, or you have acne skin, that would be best to use. And it's going to balance and brighten your skin. So next up, I'm going to use a Juice Beauty. This is the Blemishes Cleaning Serum. And I'm just going to apply all over my face. It's important to apply some serums or oil on your skin because it's definitely needed. When you have acne, you don't want to use too much chemical. You want to use something organic, and that's why I do recommend this product right here. So whenever you're using this, just be aware that your skin does get a little bit tight and also sticky. I don't like that feeling. So what I'm going to do is actually putting on this product right here. This product was sent to me by YesDye.com, and the brand is Daymellow. And thank you so much for YesDye.com to send me this product so I can actually try it. So out of these three products, this was my first product to try because I know there's a lot of benefit for all of there. Especially it's 96% all natural and it's going to be extract. There's no stickiness, absolutely, and it's going to help you soothing and also hydrating your skin. The another purpose of it is going to help you with your anti-aging and for acne treatment. Plus, whenever you have scarf, it can also lighten up, and especially sunburn, slap this on. I mean, it's going to help you the next day. So before using this product, I actually put on the refrigerators. I know that seems weird, right? But it's going to help you get a more cooling sensations, and it is amazing. I love how this is packaged on here, so it's going to help with hygiene and safe for you to use instead of going to stick your hands in a bottle and scoop it out. So I'm going to put that all over my face, and whenever you put this in the refrigerator, it's going to be a top notch because it's so cool to the skin. They also sent me this product, which I thought was interesting because it's called a healer massage. So I also put this in the refrigerator to get a cooling sensations. And whenever you are pressing against your skin, is amazing. And if you have like a burn, like if you are over here trying to do your hair and use a current iron or straight iron and you over here got burned, girls, put this right on top of where you just burned. It is so amazing, feeling so much better. Another thing, my mom already reserved this product. She said, after you reviewing this product, I want it for my nail salon because whenever I wax, I can definitely apply this on my clients who have a very sensitive skin. So you know it's great whenever my mom needs it for her nail salon. So if you're interested in taking this product home with you, I definitely going to have a link below, which you can definitely put my promotion code MaiMoments on there for an extra discount. After skincare, it's really important to go ahead and start out your eyebrows. We are using Anastasia brown wiz, and I think it's much easier to actually shape and create an outline before starting. So in order to make your eyebrows going to last and also look very natural, go ahead and use this Dip Brown Pomade. This is a medium brown by Anastasia. I'm going to start drawing from the end, and the leftover pigment, I'm going to drag that toward the top. So in order to achieve this natural eyebrows, you don't want too dark of a colors and also or going to be too perfect of a stroke, because we definitely want to look natural as possible instead of a perfection look. Next, I'm going to apply this eyebrow gels. What I'm going to do is lay my hair flat instead of it flying off everywhere. So after I already finished with my eyebrows, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to use the Dip Brown Pomade by Anastasia, and I'm going to line my under eyelashes. And yes, we are going to get in there, like for real. And for this look, I'm just not going to use any eyeshadows. I'm just going to do my eyelashes, which is going to be this type right here. And for this glue, and I'm going to use my glue that I love so much. This is a dual adhesive glue that is actually so good. And the amazing part is that the glue is already black, so it looks like I'm putting on eyeliner. So rub it back and forth like this to loosen up the band so it's easier for you to apply the false eyelashes. And then closely put it against your real eyelashes. And I like to press my finger and merge the false eyelashes with my real eyelashes closely to the line as possible. Usually I will have some eyeshadows, but we are leaning more into a natural look. I'm not going to add some shiny or sparklies or even matte. I just want it like this. Choose your favorite mascara and only targeting the root of your eyelashes, and don't go extent because we are trying to create a natural looking eyelashes. And by the way, I'm using Essence mascara. So since my eyelashes is super short, I'm going to use this primer right here and put it under my eyelashes to add that length, and then I'm going to add on top of that is the black mascara. So now, do you see the difference of this side and that side, although we did not use a lot of makeup? So instead of using a foundation, what I'm going to use is primer. And this is the products I really enjoy because it's oil free. And also what is best is that it's going to cover my pores and also going to hydrate my skin. Okay, I'm trying to squeeze out the last bit of this. I need to buy myself a full-on tube instead of trying to squeeze out the sample right here. The reason why I love this product is because it's going to hydrate my skin, which is staying on there. It's going to help to grip on your foundations once you apply it on. So instead of a foundation, what I'm going to do is a translucent powder because it's going to suck my oil. I have really oily skin on my T-zone, so it's going to help me grip my makeup in that process. But if you are going to use a foundation, it's definitely going to help you to have a perfect foundation instead of shifting around everywhere. Since I mentioned to you we are not going to use foundations, but definitely we are going to use a concealer. This is from Tarte Shape Tape and this is a light neutral. So I'm going to dab it where my imperfections and I know that it needs some help. So you can see that I only dot the spot that need an improvement because of imperfections. So what I'm going to use is my finger and I'm just going to softly blend it out. So as you can see right now, it's actually lighter than my skin. It is okay because these products tend to oxidize. So gradually, once it's set, it's going to become my skin color. You can achieve this with a small brush, but I see that it's better for me just to go in and use my fingers because I have a natural oil and also temperatures that is going to melt the products into my skin. So I definitely want to brighten up my under eyes, so just add a little bit concealer and using a small beauty sponge. So for blushes, I'm going to use this angle brush and dip it into here. Tap out the excess and we are going to target right under our eyes. This is where it should belong. So for lip, I definitely want to have a natural looking color, so I'm using the Balsam. This is the color Hush Hush. So if you are a type of person that have really oily skin, I recommend you to put on this translucent powder. What it does is going to soak up all the oil on your skin and it's going to help you look matte. And then I'm just going to use a all over brushes like this and apply all over my face. So instead of using a setting spray, I go ahead and use the facial spray. This contains aloe, cucumbers, and green tea, really good in hydration for your skin, and that's why I go ahead and spray it all over. It's such a great mist. And during this time, we are not going to touch your skin. So as you can see that we are using very minimum products and also a lot of skincare, which I really enjoy and love. So here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you want to check out more tips and tricks, you can definitely check out this video right here. Don't forget to give this video a like. Also, comment below of what you want to see next and click subscribe if you have not. Ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.